Stellantis is currently facing a critical financial crisis, highlighted by a staggering 48% decline in net profits. This downturn not only impacts the company's financial health but also significantly lowers employee morale and retention rates, raising serious concerns about its future stability. In this challenging environment, the automotive market is witnessing fierce competition, particularly from electric vehicle manufacturers like Tesla. Stellantis must adeptly navigate this landscape to reclaim market share and drive innovation. Moreover, escalating vehicle prices are alienating potential buyers, especially younger consumers. This trend complicates sales initiatives and disrupts the overall market dynamics for well-known brands like Jeep and Ram. Sales teams are experiencing financial instability due to these high vehicle prices, which can lead to significant reductions in commissions during slow sales months. Consequently, this creates an atmosphere of heightened stress and anxiety within their work environments. Additionally, consumers are rethinking their purchasing habits, often opting for alternatives that promise better value amid rising costs. This shift places further pressure on sales teams to present compelling offers and ensure customer satisfaction. Compounding these issues, safety concerns regarding Stellantis vehicles loom large, potentially leading to recalls that could erode consumer trust. Such problems pose a serious threat to both sales and the company's overall brand reputation. The ramifications of safety recalls can severely damage sales and tarnish a brand's image, adversely affecting both customers and employees. This creates a pervasive atmosphere of uncertainty within the workplace. In addition, high turnover among executives fosters instability, producing a fragmented vision that complicates the ability of dealerships to thrive in this competitive landscape. Effective collaboration is essential for long-term success. Moreover, the departure of experienced employees results in a loss of valuable institutional knowledge, creating a steep learning curve for newcomers. This gap can hinder overall dealership performance and disrupt ongoing training processes. The looming layoffs at Stellantis, particularly at the Ram truck plant, underscore the urgent need for cost-cutting measures in the face of dwindling sales and production inefficiencies. This decision heightens concerns regarding job security for employees. The automotive industry is also experiencing a downturn, with intensified competition compelling companies to reassess strategies and contemplate relocating production to safeguard profit margins. This situation poses a significant threat to U.S. manufacturing jobs. Finally, the relationship between Stellantis and the United Auto Workers is increasingly strained, emphasizing the critical need for open communication to rebuild trust. Such dialogue is essential to address employee concerns and stabilize overall operations.